This is mashed cauliflower. I call it Caulimash. There's 4 carbs in a serving, and it's super creamy and super easy to make. Let's make it. Creamy mashed cauliflower. We like to call it Caulimash. It's so creamy and flavorful. I'm going to use this today for a shepherd's pie, but you can also do a casserole with some cheese on the top. Let's make it. I've got 6 cups of cauliflower, and you can see how it's just the florets on the top. I'm going to put it in a microwavable bowl. I'm going to put some Better Than Bouillon, 1 teaspoon. I really like this stuff. It's really powerful. And I'm going to use chicken flavor, 1 teaspoon, that's a carb, in a ½ cup of water, and I'm just going to dissolve that. Okay, I'm going to pour the chicken bouillon in on top of the cauliflower, like that. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for 15 minutes until it's really soft. And then we're going to add some other stuff to it. Okay, this cauliflower cooked in the microwave for exactly 13 minutes. Okay, what I'm going to add is I've cooked some garlic and then made it into a paste. So you can see that it's nice and toasted, and that's what really adds the flavor. I've got 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, but I'm going to use a garlic parmesan butter today. Some salt and pepper. And we're just going to whiz it up with a stick blender till it's really silky and smooth. Okay, I went for about a minute. Okay, it's at this stage where you can put it into a casserole dish and put some little bit of garlic salt on the top and some shredded cheese. But I'm going to put it into this bowl because I'm going to make some shepherd's pie tonight. There we go. That's nice and silky smooth. Look at that. I'm going to add a little blob of butter right into the center, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of parsley just as a garnish, and a little bit more salt just for the top. There you go, silky smooth Caulimash with some butter on the top, full of flavor. Thanks for watching.